Welcome to Homes Decor Designs, where we explore the world of interior design and bring you the latest trends and tips. Today, let's talk about minimalist house architecture and explore this design style that focuses on simplicity, functionality, and clean lines. But, before that, we want to ask your support to make this channel grow. Subscribe to this channel, leave comment, hit the like button or share this video to your friends and family. In today's fast-paced world, we are constantly bombarded with information and clutter. This can make it difficult to create a calm and relaxing space in our homes. Minimalist architecture is a great way to achieve this goal. In this video, we will discuss what minimalist house architecture is, the benefits of this design style, and some tips for creating a minimalist home. Minimalist house architecture is a design style that focuses on simplicity, functionality, and clean lines. This style is often characterized by its use of natural materials, neutral colors, and open floor plans. Minimalist homes are typically free of clutter and unnecessary details, which can create a sense of calm and tranquility. There are many benefits to choosing a minimalist house architecture design. Some of the most notable benefits include: first, reduced stress. Minimalist homes are less cluttered and chaotic, which can help to reduce stress levels. Second, increased productivity. A clean and organized space can help you to focus and be more productive. Third, improved mental health. Studies have shown that living in a minimalist environment can improve your mental health and well-being. Fourth, increased sense of peace and tranquility. The simplicity and clean lines of minimalist architecture can create a sense of peace and tranquility. If you're interested in creating a minimalist home, here are a few tips. First, start by decluttering. This is the most important step in creating a minimalist home. Get rid of anything that you don't use or love. Second, choose a neutral color palette. Neutral colors create a clean and timeless look. Third, use natural materials. Natural materials, such as wood, stone, and metal, add warmth and texture to a space. Fourth, create open floor plans. Open floor plans make a space feel larger and more inviting. Fifth, incorporate plenty of natural light. Natural light can make a space feel brighter and more airy. Sixth, use furniture that is both functional and stylish. Choose furniture that serves a purpose and looks good in your space. Seventh, accessorize with simple, clean lines. Keep your accessories to a minimum and choose pieces that have simple, clean lines. And to complete your inspiration, here these the collection of the top 10 best minimalist house architecture ideas to try. 1. Open floor plans. Open floor plans are a hallmark of minimalist architecture. By eliminating walls and creating a seamless flow between living spaces, you can maximize natural light and ventilation. This design choice not only visually expands the space but also fosters a sense of openness and airiness. 2. Neutral color palette. A neutral color palette is essential for achieving a minimalist aesthetic. Opt for a combination of white, gray, beige, and black to create a calm and serene atmosphere. These colors provide a clean backdrop that allows architectural details and furniture to take center stage. 3. Minimalist furniture. When selecting furniture for a minimalist home, prioritize clean lines and simple forms. Multifunctional pieces that can serve multiple purposes are ideal for maximizing space and minimizing clutter. By keeping furniture to a minimum, you can create a sense of spaciousness and tranquility. 4. Large windows. Large windows are a key feature of minimalist architecture. They allow ample natural light to flood the interior, creating a bright and airy ambience. Additionally, large windows connect the indoor and outdoor spaces, blurring the lines between the two. 5. Natural materials. Incorporating natural materials like wood, stone, and metal can add warmth and texture to a minimalist space. These materials not only enhance the aesthetic appeal of the home but also contribute to a timeless and elegant look. 6. Minimalist landscaping. The exterior of a minimalist home should complement the interior design. Keep the landscaping simple and low maintenance, using clean lines and geometric shapes. A minimalist garden can create a peaceful and serene outdoor space that complements the interior. 7. Hidden storage. Hidden storage solutions are essential for maintaining a clutter-free environment. Built-in cabinets, drawers, and shelving can help you maximize storage space without compromising the minimalist aesthetic. By keeping clutter out of sight, you can create a serene and organized home. 8. Minimalist lighting. Effective lighting can significantly impact the atmosphere of a space. A combination of ambient, task, and accent lighting can create a warm and inviting ambience. Opt for simple, sleek fixtures that complement the minimalist design. 9. Art and decor. While minimalism is about simplicity, carefully selected pieces of art and decor can add personality and interest to a space. However, it's important to keep the decor minimal and clutter-free. Let the architecture and natural light be the focal point. 10. Zen gardens. A Zen garden can be a beautiful addition to a minimalist home. This small, peaceful outdoor space typically features raked gravel, rocks, and plants. A Zen garden can promote relaxation and mindfulness, making it a perfect complement to a minimalist lifestyle. Minimalist house architecture is a great way to create a clean, modern, and functional home. By following the tips in this video, you can create a space that is both stylish and relaxing. If you're interested in learning more about minimalist house architecture, please subscribe to my YouTube channel, Homes Decor Designs. I will be posting more videos on this topic in the future. Again, thank you for watching this video, hope you like it and get useful inspiration from it. Let me know what's your favorite design ideas in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel Homes Decor Designs, hit and smash the bell button so you never missed our new informative and inspiring videos in the future. Thank you and see you on the next videos.